Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna change out the back brakes. Brake light, the back brake light. We're gonna change it out on a 2005 Honda Element. If you guys check this out, there's two bolts right here. I'm gonna take those off, and this whole entire thing should just come off, and I'll be able to get to the bulb itself and swap it out. I got a Sylvania 7443 on here, and get this off, and we'll do this job. Alright guys, so I got the two bolts off, and there you guys go. Comes off like pretty easy. So I'm gonna swap out the brake light. Man, I can't believe how easy it is. But turn it to your right, wait, turn it to your left, and it pops out like that. It's hard for me to do it with one hand, but these are just, you know, you hold it and then you squeeze it out, the bulb itself. And it wasn't, guys, it didn't take me much to take it out, so it was pretty easy to take out. One got popped in, and I'm gonna insert this, see if I could do it with just one hand. Probably not. If I can't, I'm just gonna put my camera down. But so you guys see this slot right here? So this is where the slot, you see this little thing that protrudes out from the socket area. So what you do is you actually put it in this space right here, and just turn it to your right, and it pops right in there. That's all it is, guys. So I just tighten this in. This is probably the easiest change on brake lights that I've done on a car. Two bolts, literally, pretty much just pull this out, pop it in, pop it out. That was it. Simple as that, guys. Please subscribe, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and you know, if you guys have any comments, please leave your comments. All right, guys. All right, take care.